To edit slow motion videos on Samsung Galaxy A17, all you have to do is simply open the gallery, and we need to open our slow motion video. So let's say over here I have my slow motion video, and in order to edit it, we need to tap on this pen icon at the bottom of the screen. And then we have this timeline. We have two timelines actually. We have the timeline of the video and of the slow motion effect, as you can see over here. And we can also crop the video, but that doesn't matter right now. So over here, as you can see, we have this straight line with thin lines over here, and we can adjust the effect when it should be applied. So we can extend or shorten the effect. So only in selected part of the video, the slow motion effect can be applied. You can also tap on this line of slow motion again in order to, for example, increase it or decrease it. And over here we can also split into two different sections. We can also remove the old one in case you don't want it actually. So as you can see, we have a bunch of different options that we can use. And now we can also press play over here in order to see how it looks like. So let's play again to see. Yeah, there you go. This is how the effect looks like. And once you are done with editing, you can either press save over here at the top in order to overwrite the original video, or you can tap on these three dots and choose to save copy. So you can keep the original video and you can have this one saved separately. And that's it. Thanks for watching. Leave a like and subscribe.